In this video, I'll show you how to enable HDR in Clair Obscur Expedition 3.3 so you can enjoy more vibrant visuals and deeper contrast. Step 1. Download the Reno DX HDR mod. Visit the Reno DX HDR mod page on Nexus Mods. Download the latest version, e.g. 2.2.0. Step 2. Install the mod. Extract the downloaded files to the same folder as the game's executable, e.g. sandfall/binaries/WinGDK. Run the game once to generate the necessary configuration files. Step 3. Configure HDR settings. Navigate to the game's directory and locate the reshade.ini file. Open it and under Renox, Preset 1, Renox, Preset 2, or Renox, Preset 3, paste the following settings. Ini. Copy edit. Color grade blowout equals 15. Color grade contrast equals 50. Color grade exposure equals 1.45. Color grade highlights equals 58. Color grade saturation equals 55. Tone map game nits equals 270. Tone map peak nits equals 1200. Tone map type equals 1. Adjust tone map peak nits to match your monitor's peak brightness. Step 4. Final adjustments. In the game's graphics settings, set contrast, gamma, and brightness to 1. Disable any system-level HDR settings to prevent conflicts. Important notes. This mod enhances HDR visuals by rewriting the game's grading pipeline. Avoid using other HDR tools like RTX HDR or Special K simultaneously, as they may cause performance issues. For optimal results, use a display with a peak brightness of at least 600 nits. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming tutorials and tech tips.